I usually get this question a lot. Like, what is the difference between these two exfoliants? One, the enzyme facial or the enzyme acid, and the chemical peel. So I'm going to break it down for you as fast as I can. Now, the enzyme facial, first of all, we use soft acids such as fruit acids, say pineapple, orange, apples, etc., to exfoliate the skin. How does it work? When we apply an enzyme acid on your skin, what it's going to do, it's going to just pick out the dead cells, the dead skin cells of your skin. So if you've had a lot of dead skin in the past, it's just going to help you with that. Yeah, so it's targeting the dead skin cells. It's not going to touch your healthy skin cells. Now, compared to the chemical peel, on the other hand, uses acids. They could be AHAs or BHAs, alpha hydroxy acids or beta hydroxy acids, such as succinic acid, glycolic acid, mandelic acid, TCAs, very many, okay? And it also depends on the depth. Now, with chemical peels, it is targeted, okay? It's targeting someone who is treating something particular, say hyperpigmentation, aging, acne, and very many other things, yeah? However, what the chemical peel is going to do, it's going to sink deeper into the skin vis-a-vis the enzyme facial. The chemical peel is going to sink deeper into the skin, and it doesn't know the difference between the healthy skin and the dead skin. So what it's going to do, it's just going to destroy everything. However, it is not supposed to be that scary. It is controlled damage. So the person supposed to do your treatment should know what they're dealing with or should know what they're doing. Don't go everywhere for chemical peels. Make sure the person doing your chemical peel knows what they're doing. So it's controlled damage. What it's going to do, it's going to sink deeper into the deeper layers of your skin. And what is going to happen to the upper layer of the skin is that it's going to shed off. So the shedding is more than what it would be with the enzyme facial. With the enzyme facial, you will even hardly see the shedding. It's more of microscopic. But with the chemical peel, you're going to see shedding of the upper layer of the skin, which is good because the damage that was done is controlled and you're going to get results. So the skin is going to regenerate. So who should do what? Now, I understand that we are always on pressure as estheticians by our DRS clients because when they walk in, they want to see results there and then. However, for someone coming in for a chemical peel because you've seen a certain influencer doing a chemical peel and you want to do a chemical peel as well, I would advise that you follow what your esthetician tells you. Normally, doing an enzyme facial before a chemical peel is much better because we want to introduce you or we want to prep your skin for the other treatment. So what does that mean? If we want to see how you're going to react after doing the enzyme facial because it's milder, how are you going to react and what kind of chemical peel should we prepare for you after you've done your enzyme facial? Then again, for someone with sensitive skin, I would rather you do an enzyme facial compared to a chemical peel. So that is the difference.